So I'm back home and I have some packages for me, so I'm just gonna open it right now. This box, which made all the way from Los Angeles, California, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I need to film right now. So yeah, makikita niyo na lang siya sa video. Okay? So these are the contents of the box. I have different SAFERENCE masks, which has 4 types such as moisture, firming, nutritive, and pore control. These are from LadyKin and they offer products for pore and oil control, for sebum, for moisture, etc. I also got a snail cream and an exfoliating spray for the face and body, which is kind of interesting, by the way. For today's makeup look, I'm going to start off with the LadyKin exfoliating spray. You can also use this for the body, but today I'm exfoliating my face. There are 2 things that I like about this product. First is that it's really convenient to spray all over your face, so you get a good or even amount of coverage. Secondly, it's a really effective exfoliator. You activate the product by gently rubbing your skin to remove the dead skin cells instantly. This is actually the first time I tried it on my face, but I did test this on my wrist to see if I'm allergic to any ingredients. Clearly, it didn't leave my skin with redness or a stinging sensation, as it feels very subtle and gentle. For the whole bottle, I think it's really worth the price, and I can see myself using it on my whole body in the shower as well. So after all the dead skin cells removed, I just wiped my face clean. I didn't want to rinse again since I've already cleansed beforehand. I don't want to do anything too abrasive to my skin. Next, I used LadyKin SAFERENCE Nutritive Mask. My skin's pretty dry lately and I've been getting that crust around the nose, so I've tried 2 out of 4 masks. First is the moisturizing mask, which has hyaluronic acid, which helps to heal wounds, burns, or skin ulcers. Hyaluronic acid is typically present in our bodies and it's also used as a lip filler in plastic surgery, so it can be used as a moisturizer that can help hydrate tired or dried skin. However, I really like the nutritive mask, not only because it's effective in giving my skin that same healthy glow, but because it smells really good. It has a subtle sweet scent, like they mix some kind of honey into it. Inside the box, I have 5 masks and they can be used in the morning before applying makeup and at night as well. Usually when I apply this or any kind of mask, I like to put down the chin side first and then lifting the sides to the temples to kind of lift my face as well, and then wait for 15 to 20 minutes to remove it. And as you can see, it has left me with a healthy glow. Also, my skin, it feels so supple, kind of like a baby skin, you know? After that, I'm going to apply the snail cream. I believe I only need a little amount as this is so moisturizing. What this does to my skin is it lightens up a little bit. It's not really a skin whitening product, but it just brightens up from what I've noticed. To save some time, I've already done my foundation and brows. All the makeup products which I'll use today are mostly local and drugstore, so you can do this look without breaking the bank. I used a warm brown eyeshadow on the crease with a small brush. It doesn't have to be perfect as you'll be blending it later. You can reapply the eyeshadow to intensify the crease. We're going for a glam look after all. Next, a yellow eyeshadow on the bottom lash line using a fine eyebrow brush. You can also wet the brush for more opacity. Then I'm going to take a shimmery eyeshadow that's close to my skin tone. I'm taking this from the eyelid to the inner corner. For the outer corner, just take a dark shade of brown and blend it nicely with a crease color. Let's move on with eyeliner. Line your eyes and make a dramatic wing. I chose to be glam today, but whatever floats your boat is fine. To make a wing, I start with the middle and go all the way in, overlapping the line I just applied, then go over it one more time and make a tail. From that tail, sweep it across the middle part you did and fill in the gap, and then do the same thing on the other side and be proud of yourself if it looks pretty decent. Mine looks terrible right now, but we'll fix it off cam, plus let's add a nice pair of lashes. After that, highlight and contour your face, you know the drill, girl. And then you can also add some blush if you like. I just added a little rose on the cheeks. last step is to apply a light pink lipstick and we're done. And then I'm just doing final touches. I'm just gonna apply powder and then reapply the lipstick, add some mascara on the lower lashes, and that's it. Here's our finished look. I hope you like this glam graduation look and wear it on your special day if you're feeling bold. Let me know in the comment section what you wore or plan to wear for your graduation. I have a giveaway open to my Philippine viewers, by the way. Check out the description box to learn more about it and the products used in the video. LadyKin is available in Amazon in case you want to get a hold of those products. If you have requests, feel free to drop them below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.